Okay folks, welcome back. So in my last video, what I was doing is I had my homemade pocket hole machine apart and was giving you guys the sizes. Then right at the end of the video, I said my next video is what I was going to do is work on the floating router. So I got the thing out and I was doing a little carving with it and just realizing how complex a machine it is to build and still how much space it takes up. So what I started doing is just brainstorming here on how I could make a simpler routering system to do mortise and tenon, and what I came up with so far is this simple setup, and I think I'm just going to keep going on it too. It just uses a flat piece of melamine that's going to get laid on a bench, and then what I do is just this simple mechanism, just a screw and a screw for the pivot point, and believe it or not, I think this would be just great for the pivot points. I don't think I got to have anything fancier. And then I've just got this support here in the center to keep the thing from rocking like this. So now when I put pressure, it's nice and stable. Because I'm only running over the edge just a little wee bit, I can get away with that. And I've got my plunge router on here, you can see. So this will give me my up and down movement to do my carving. So now all I've got to do is I've got to build a little bunk up on here that will come across the top of this. This is where my template will go, and then I have to build a piece up off the router, off of this piece that the router's hooked to, and then there's where my bearing will be. So, and then just build a simple little piece on the end that my stock will get clamped to. But this is going to be something that's going to be super easy to build, and hopefully it'll even be more accurate too. That other one, what the problem was, is getting it all lined up is quite a job, folks. So this thing here should be real easy to line up and way simpler to build, and that's what we're all about at Wooden Tool Man's channel, is trying to make it as simple and still work good. So despite boots laying around my shop and a big mess, hopefully you guys are having fun watching. Hopefully you'll keep tuning in, and you guys keep tuning in, and I'm going to keep working on this thing. I've only got about probably less than an hour on it so far, and this is how far I got, and I'm going to keep going and see if how far I can make it on this thing today. So you guys keep tuning in, and I thank you for watching this video.